Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Siphelele nokubonga Luthuli leaves Umkhokha. The top telenovelas TV series Umkhokha the Curse seems to be living up to its name. There seems to be a curse that has been ripening Mzansi Magic drama series with actors leaving it in droves. Last week Zimoja reported that 3 top actors were fired from the show for being divas. Apart from actors leaving the show, the future of the drama series looks bleak as the contract of the show is said to not have been renewed for next year. Zimoja can reveal that the latest actress to exit the show is Siphelele Luthuli, who plays the role of Nobonga. According to highly placed sources in the production team, the actress was let go because producers did not know what to do with her character anymore. But Zimoja has also learned that it was just an excuse to get rid of her. The source said this is part of a bigger plan to bring in new actors who are well known and famous to attract more audiences and revive the show. I quote, "How come creatives who get paid to create characters do not know what to do with someone's character?" Close quote. That was just an excuse to get rid of her. An actor who left the show while ago told Zimoja that if you don't suck up to the producers, you are as good as gone, the source added. I quote, "Some of us who are not good at sucking up were written off. Unfortunately, that is the reality of the South African television industry. When you mind your own business and demand what you deserve, you are labeled a diva." Close quote, the source said. Another source said Luthuli is done shooting and has already left the show. I quote, "It was a bittersweet moment. We are supposed to protect and groom young talent, not to write someone off and tell them their character is boring as if they choose and write their script. That is just wrong." Close quote, said the source. Multi-choice publicist Portia Hlongwane did not want to confirm if Luthuli left the show. I quote, "You are making it sound like a bad thing. If Siphelele is said to be leaving, then she is." Close quote. Thank you for watching.